I could be your man, you could be my woman.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is a heatless, blow dryerless stretch of my hair. So I'm going to be trying out the SSS plates from CWK Girls. Y'all know how hard that was for me. CWK stands for Curly Wavy Kinky Girls. They have quite a popular Instagram page, and they actually sent me these plates. It's not a paid review, it's not a sponsored review, even though if it was, I'm still Lexi. The plates are supposed to just stretch your hair. It's supposed to be a heatless stretch, you know? It's really simple. There shouldn't really be a long intro, but you guys know how I am. And the SSS stands for Snap, Stretch, and Style. They're the perfect addition to any natural girl's toolbox. The new rubber stretch plates are a great way to elongate your curl without causing heat damage. Let's test that out, because y'all already know, like this head of hair, come on. So I actually was in obviously contact with the creator or whomever, the rep for this brand. So I did get some tips and some things that they let me know when it comes to using the SSS plates. Wash and condition my hair, check. Air dry about 60%. I already sprayed some leave-in. I did a very deep condition with an oil to get my hair in like an optimal condition for not applying a heavy cream. Then after I rinsed out the conditioner, I towel dried just a smidge, and then I went ahead and sprayed just a smidge. Who am I? I sprayed, look, my fro all messed up now. It's perfectly shaped. Dang. I went ahead and I sprayed this liquidy, watery leave-in conditioner from Femme Noir. And it's like an aloe vera juice spray. So it seals the cuticles, shine, moisture, all that jazz. And then I'm going to style my hair with the plates and a mousse. So they told me in the message to use either a serum or a mousse. I don't own a serum. I have 1,000,001 products, no serum. So we have a mousse and we have the plates. And these are actually how the plates came, which is crazy to me. Like, look, no shade, but I was just like, okay. It's rubber, like it's actually rubber. And it actually has CWK Girls embossed, that's the word? Embossed on it. And it has the purple plates. You're supposed to snap it over. I'll be back and we will start the process and we will see what we looking like, child. Good to see you guys. If you're new here, subscribe. I'm Lexi. I'm popping or whatever. If you're not new here, hey fam. It's so rubbery. Like, what's really going on? I have 12 of the plates, the SSS plates, and then I did not count these because I will not. But I will link the website down below and you guys can check it out if you're curious and get all of the numbers. But I received 12 of the plates and however many of the purple snap thingies.
I could be your man, you could be my woman. They don't understand what we would be doing. Baby, just pretend you don't need no friends. Trust me till the end, just a little plan. Yeah, I need a picture, my wallet been searching for ya. No need to whisper, I got it, your paranoia. I'm ready for you. Yeah, I'm ready for you. Ooh, you feel that? Ooh, you feel that? Ooh, you feel that? I could be your man, you could be my woman.
Okay guys, so we are back and all of the plates are in. I used all 12. I plan to 12. Yeah, 6 on each side. I used all 12. I have a couple things I want to say to note. Y'all already know. And for my length of hair, I did not receive enough of the purple clamps. So I did this half of my head first, and it was basically like, you know, close to being dry. So on the longer parts of my hair, I took out some of the extra plates that I put in, and I had to put it on this side because, yeah, I had like 2 sections up here and I only had like literally 2 purple clips left. So I had to go around my head and take out 4 plates from different locations. I mean, the back of my hair is like super long back there and just needed some extra length and extra clips. If your hair is shorter than mine, you will be fine. You don't need to worry about that. But I don't know if they have an option where you can purchase more clips, but I would definitely need to, just for ease of styling and comfort. Definitely could not sleep in this. I mean, maybe if you wanted to, you could. I will not sleep in this. I like the mousse. My hair is very like stretched and soft, but it has no shine to it. So I see why they said get a serum.
They don't understand what we would be doing. Baby, just pretend you don't need no friends. Trust me till the end. Just a little plan. Yeah, I need a picture. My wallet been searching for ya. No need to whisper, I got it, your paranoia. I'm ready for you. Yeah, I'm ready for you. I need a picture, my wallet been searching for ya. No need to whisper, I got it, your paranoia. I'm ready for you. Yeah, I'm ready for you.
Okay guys, so I put my hair up because I'm going to sleep, okay? Like, I actually took it out and it was about 95% dry because I want to go to sleep and I could not sleep with those things in my head. But let's get into the details because I have a blowout. Like, my hair looks like it's been blown out and I put it in these twists. Like, what's really going on? Like, my hair, I have the bands in my mouth. Un momento, por favor. I'm back and I'm better. I'm the same. So I wrote a little list, real short list. The pros, I want to tell you guys that it's very lightweight. Even though I would not and could not sleep with them, they are super light, not heavy. They don't pull your scalp or anything like that. My favorite thing about them is that they dry really fast. Like, because it's literally open, your hair is open to the air on basically both sides. The plate side is a little bit, you know, it blocks a little bit of the air, but it's still very open because it's not super slicked down. Depending on how kinky or coarse or thick your hair is, air came in from all directions and my hair dried extremely fast, which I think if you have an event to go to, this would be an awesome thing to have, just to put your hair, wash your hair, stretch your hair in the same day within like an hour, and then going to go. Also, it's easy as hell. Like, I was able just to like do a quick little Googles and then input it into my hair. I did not have any trouble installing them. Once you do one, it's really, really basic. And I'm always like lopsided. Jeez. Okay, and then on to the cons. My main con was that there was not enough plates for my hair. I know that if I had some more plates, my hair would have been even more smooth and slicked down to the plates, and I probably would have had even better results, even though I was happy with my results. I would not use the plates as like a blow dry style situation. I don't blow dry my hair and wear my hair like that because it's always a tangled mess within 20 seconds. Why I put my hair in twists immediately was because if I let my hair stay like that, it's going to tangle up instantly. Like, no matter what. If it's not bone straight or in a twist out like type of style, it will tangle up. I cannot blow dry my hair and just go out the house. It will be a mess, and that would have been a mess too. And because my hair was like 3% wet, I didn't even want to risk any shrinkage coming up over here and then tangling up on this side. Like, it wasn't even worth it. So I immediately put my hair away, which is what I always do when I do a blowout anyways. So perfectly fine. My only con was that I didn't have enough place for my hair length. I wish it came with instructions because I like to read instructions. Granted, they sent me some tips and stuff like that, but I would like to have had a pamphlet. I just like to open a package and like have a pamphlet and see what I'm dealing with. But it actually is pretty dope and convenient, and I actually would use it again. So thumbs up for the SSS plates from CWK Girls. I hope this video was something enjoyable, fun. I mean, a damn sure wasn't informative, but I will see you guys in the next video. If you made it all the way here, like, what's really good? Are we like family yet? Are we like subscribers yet? Are we BFF? Because you all the way at the end of the video, like, I don't even understand. Like, shout out to you. Like, thank you. Like, that's wild. And if you are here, comment something like, comment Happy Black History Month. Because Happy Black History Month to my people. Happy Black History Month, my people. Okay? So if you are still here, comment Happy Black History Month. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I'm actually exhausted. I'm not sure if you can tell. My eyes are naturally low, but right now we know we like below sea level, you know, like we really. All right, I'm gonna go. That was a horrible joke. Good night.
I could be your man, you could be my woman. They don't understand what we would be doing. Baby, just pretend you don't need no friends. Trust me till the end, just a little plan.